When do you think we will get to see the first UFC event in India?
I would
Where
say,
will it be?
bro, Devang, to be
Would you
honest with
go?
you, it's going to be very soon.
Good life, easy.
It's going to be very soon because India has such a, bro, 1.3 billion people, bro. You're understanding? And with a viewership of already 100 million in 2018, big market. Big market. So according to me, I think within the next 5 to 8 years. I'm telling you, I'm being optimistic.
But bro, that's the opposite of optimistic.
Bro, 5 to 8 years, bro. Are you mad? Bro, are you mad? That is Bro, you know why? I'll tell you.
You just said very soon, Rahul.
Bro, very soon is 5 to 8 years is fine, bro. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you.
Your very soon is
Bro,
like the Indian government's
I'll
very
tell you
soon.
why. Because I'll tell you why, bro. According to me, I don't want to divert the topic right now, but according to me, the next destination for the best fighters, I've told you this before, is Nigeria. So after Nigeria is going to be India. I'm telling you this.
Bro, Nigeria has fighters, but they're not going to hold events because Nigeria doesn't have the money what India has. The kind of organized
But trust
events,
me, Devang, trust me on this, bro. If a champion is born out of Nigeria, who's based out of
There are two.
Nigeria and who has a story,
there are two already.
that will sell.
Kamaru Usman and
bro, but
Israel
Kamaru
Adesanya.
Usman and all are based out of America only,
But
bro.
still the Nigerian.
But I'm saying a guy that's picked up from the dirt, bro, in Nigeria and comes up and fucking holds the title, that is when
There's Francis
there will be a
Ngannou.
fight. Bro, that's Cameroon.
Whatever. I'm just saying.
But see, according to me,
Why do you think, one second, why do you think there are fights in Abu Dhabi? I'm curious to understand.
because it's in the center.
No, bro.
Yeah.
Many other places are in the center. You think Europe is not in the center?
Bro, Abu Dhabi, because firstly, so that I don't think anyone would want to host fights in the
Rahul,
pandemic,
no,
but
no.
Abu
Rahul,
Dhabi.
It's cash.
It's cash only, na, bro. That's what I'm saying. It all adds up.
Don't get it twisted. It's cash.
USA did not allow fucking Dana White to host fights in the fights for UFC.
no,
That's why he went to Abu Dhabi,
But
na?
Abu Dhabi, the fights have happened before also. Dustin Poirier and Khabib last fight was in Abu Dhabi. Why do you think it was in Abu Dhabi, not Russia? Cash. So Nigerians will become champions. Cameroon people will become champions. But unlikely right now that there will be an organized
But we got the
event
Yahoo
there.
boys, bro.
Yahoo boys.
We
that's
got the
what-
Yahoo boys,
And Yahoo
bro.
boys fly around the
You know,
world.
we got the Yahoo
Private
boys,
jet.
but where do they take the money back? To Nigeria.
Dubai, na?
No, bro. From Dubai, where is the money going back always?
They're going back
investing
to
it back to
Nigeria?
Nigeria,
Okay,
bro. Nigeria, bro. See, but always, according to me, okay, let's get back to the question. 5
Event
to 8
in
years.
India.
5 to 8 years.
You were saying 5 to 8 years, and where would the event happen?
The event would happen in one of the metro cities, of course, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore.
No, name one.
Mumbai first.
Mumbai.
Of course, because I'm from Mumbai, you're from Mumbai. We want the fight to happen in Mumbai.
Would you go?
100%. But I'm definitely not. I don't want it to be like an NSCI event.
Bro, I was going to root for NSCI.
I don't want it to be like an NSCI event because
Indoors, AC.
I want it to be bigger, bro. I want it to be a carnival. You understanding? I want it to be like larger than life, bro.
So
more
boxing-
than just 15,000 people. I want 50,000 people because we want an Indian champion to fight for the belt.
Yeah. So that's what I was going to say. I think it's going to happen when an Indian champion is born. You know, when an Indian superstar is born. I want it to happen obviously in Mumbai. And boxing events have happened in outdoor stadiums. But I don't think a UFC event has happened in the outdoor stadium. I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Where was the GSP fight, bro?
Indoor stadium. Hockey stadium.
50,000?
Hockey stadium.
Indoor 50,000?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah. So I'm not sure, but I think. I've seen boxing fights like the sun coming down on the fighter and all, but you know, I've not seen.
But
it's possible.
But in India, it's possible.
In India, it's possible because I remember I went for WWE in MMRDA.
Outdoor,
baby. Come and see.
Then
No stands and all, bro. Flat. Flat on the mud.
basically you can't see only. If you're far and all, you can't see only.
Yeah, people were jumping, na. So there was a 2,000 rupee ticket, 5,000 rupee ticket, and VIP, right? So the 2,000 people were jumping.
Jumping in 5,000 were jumping in VIP.
And there was a 800 rupee one also.
Useless.
They
So
were
look at the screen.
All of them had come into 2,000.
Oh.
Yeah. All of them had jumped the fence.
Oh.
Yeah. It was the fence like this.
That's
high.
what I want. We should hope it's a riot. You understanding?
Yeah, so they never come again.
And if our Indian superstar wins, na bro, it has to be the same celebration as we won the World Cup. You understanding?
So before you said 5 to 8 years now, I was going to be super optimistic. And
What
say-
were you gonna say,
I
fam?
was going to say 3 years, but now...
Think about it, bro.
Now I thought about it. and I think you're right.
Now say now. No shit,
No, because you said, the way you said, you were like, I'm going to be optimistic.
What do you thought next year?
I think it's going to be very soon. I thought you'll say 2-3 years.
No.
You know, but you said 5 to 8 years.
It needs some time.
So I was going to say 3 years, but now thinking logically, I think you're right. It's going to take
5 to 8 years, bro. But when it happens, no, bro.
But
India will be on the map, bro.
UFC
MMA.
gyms have opened in Delhi, Punjab, Mumbai opening.
Exactly. Let's talk about how we are also breeding some top fighters.
Yeah. So UFC is already putting the foundation in India.
They have to.
Yeah. You were telling me about that one fighter.
So basically, what I was telling you
The
is
Indian
that the first Indian to ever debut in the UFC, Bharat Kandare, fought in 2017.
No.
Who?
The
Okay. Of course, Arjan Bullar. Arjan Bullar, bro, Indo, but he's a...
he came to promote UFC,
Yeah,
no?
Indian-Canadian fighter who fought in the 2012 Olympics also
And
for
UFC
wrestling.
sent him to...
Kushti great, bro. He's big in Kushti.
Yeah.
UFC sent him for a tour, bro. So UFC are sending fighters now to India.
Yeah.
That you guys go hold these programs. They're sending scouts, bro.
Scouts, exactly.
That's where the whole game changes. When the scouts start coming now to India, bro, that's when you know shit's getting real.
Yeah. And then the Indian fighter, the first and only Indian fighter.
Yeah, bro. I didn't know this, bro.
Yeah, even I didn't know
never thought that an Indian fighter actually performed in the
even
UFC.
I didn't know this.
So
I just saw his fight today.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy and respect, bro. His story commendable.
He's from Nagpur or Nasik?
Yeah, bro.
Nagpur or Nasik?
I think Nagpur.
Okay.
I think Nagpur. But bro, his story is commendable. 2017, we did not know, bro.
I had no idea.
And this was not in the news.
Yeah.
Like if it was in the news, we would know about it.
Yeah.
But 2017, this man named Bharat Kandare fights in the UFC.
Yeah. Crazy.
And unfortunately loses. But he loses because he was told to jump 10 pounds up.
Yeah.
So he was not fighting in his weight class.
Yeah.
So of course he lost in the first round because of a guillotine choke.
Yeah.
And after that, unfortunately, I was reading a story, bro. Very sad.
Very sad, yeah.
Because a lot of bad events happened to him.
He got caught by USADA, na?
Yeah, bro. He got caught by USADA, but before that also, bro, he was scheduled to fight again. Bro, torn ligament. You're understanding?
I've gone through the same.
Torn ligament,
As an athlete.
I've
gone through the same.
Yeah.
My ligament also.
Bro, you'll make a comeback, bro.
Yeah.
You're the superstar we are talking about, bro.
Let's go.
That's why I don't want you to fight in NSCI, Deva.
Okay.
You know?
I'll fight in my mind, you know.
Bro, no, bro.
In the night, in my dreams.
VKC, yeah. So, of course, bro, torn ligament, and then, bro, everything just went downhill for the poor guy. Failed a drug test. Banned for 2 years. Bro, look at the coincidence. His fucking ban ends this month.
Yeah.
So he was banned in 2018 November, 2020 November. As of this month, his ban has ended. But bro, this is crazy. You know why? Because people are not talking about this. He's already gone out to the media and said that, dude, I have an opportunity to go back to the UFC and fight again, but I don't have cash.
Yeah.
And nobody's willing to sponsor me, bro. His profession is a municipal worker.
Yeah.
And of course, bro, as we all know, bro, Kushti is the biggest.
Yeah.
Wrestling in India is the biggest. He was a Kushti fighter. But while he was venturing into MMA, bro, you know, he was a sweeper, bro.
Oh, damn.
He was a road sweeper, bro.
Oh, damn.
So, bro, what a story. Make a movie out of this shit.
And also, obviously, it's because of his failed drug test. But the failed drug test is a very simple story of this. His doctor did not know he's an active...
He's an athlete.
And he prescribed him some medicines with some banned ingredient or something, you know. And he got caught because of that. It's his
Now see, bro, benefit of the doubt, we'll give it to him.
No, because...
But you're an athlete.
John Jones went through a worse thing and he made a comeback. Like, nobody hates John Jones.
Bro, and 2 years is a long time.
Yeah.
You know? 2 years is a long...
Yeah.
And bro, at this moment, he's 31.
Yeah.
But you know what, bro? It's absolutely messed up that the media is not talking about this and funds are not being raised for this guy.
Rahul, now, for example, why will the media talk about it when nobody is wanting to listen about it, right?
Bro,
in India, people don't want to watch anything except cricket.
The community.
The football community in India is so small.
Bro, I am glad, today I am glad that me and you are talking about it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Because it's something that's worth talking about.
And think about it, bro, the tennis, the football, the hockey community, all these are huge, big sports, mainstream sports, but the community is so small. The viewers are smaller than the amount of players playing the game.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
So everybody only watches cricket.
Cricket, bro, cricket. But trust
Indians
me,
will watch more international cricket, as in Australia playing England, then they'll watch India playing
hockey.
hockey.
Sad, bro. It's unfortunately very sad because being a UFC fan and being an MMA fan and a follower
Yeah.
and a student of the sport as well now.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's our duty to talk about, bro, somebody who's already fought in the UFC and is facing struggles right now.
Yeah.
Because he says, you know what, he trains in Florida, bro, a very famous gym.
Yeah.
And he reached out to the gym and the gym owner said that you're more than welcome to come and train with us, but the fee is going to be 6 lakh rupees. Now, for somebody who works for the government and apparently he's not being given leaves, so he's taking unpaid leaves to fly out.
Yeah.
He doesn't have money, bro. And UFC, for an active fighter, only pays like $10,000 to $5,000 for a fighter of his level,
He's
Deva.
a prelim fighter, yeah.
You know? So it's very sad, but I hope he makes it.
Bro, it would be a dream come
You know?
true
Bro, and bro, for somebody who...
for an Indian
Bro,
guy to hold the belt.
From sweeping the roads to holding the belt. What
Imagine,
a story.
bro, what a story.
What a goosebumps.
Yeah, small town
Goosebumps.
from Maharashtra gone
Goosebumps.
and won a belt in
Goosebumps.
the UFC. It would be
Goosebumps.
madness.
Madness.
Madness,
But
bro.
more power to him, bro, you know. I hope he makes it back into the UFC.
Bro, the only time I would be super excited to go watch a live fight in like Abu Dhabi or somewhere was only if there was an Indian fighter.
100%.
You know,
100%.
like I liked watching all fighters, Izzy and Paulo Costa and John Jones and all of them.
Great.
Habib and whatnot, but I would not pay money and watch it live.
Bro,
But if it was an Indian fighter, I would like
of your race,
want
bro,
to
you
go,
know, bro, you know, bro.
paint the
You
flag on the cheeks, bruh.
know. Damn, bro. Of course, bro. I'm repping that t-shirt.